guys, welcome to my vlog! And today, I'm making some gummy burger. And today guys, I'm going to show you how to make them. So, first option we're gonna do first is get a bunch of ingredients. First, this the top, and next this is the bottom, and next this is the second. First, we would need to put the top and the second, and this one down you have to put in there inside, and your curry bag is done. Let's keep speeding.
Ang galing naman ng bata. Wow, ang sarap naman ng burger mo. Grabe naman yan. Oh.
Umalis ka tita, nang vlog ako.
Sige lang. Mukhang masarap yung ginagawa mo ah. Wow, galing naman ni Alice.
Guys, is that my tita ganda? And my mom is there
On the
watching.
way na daw siya. Oo, bakit? Hindi pa lang naalam na nasa raso na naman. Hindi ko alam kung paano, baka si Grace ang nagsabi na bigla siya
Guys, it's almost done. Look. And even the other side, I already not put still. Keep speeding. Oh, they're falling.
Ay, Aiza, may utang kasi sa atin si Pegasus. Tanong mo ako, dadali na lang na
I almost finished. Look it guys, it's almost finished. Mayang magiling, nasisisin mamaya, ayaw ng puso. Sa digim may buhay, lupang hinirang, luyararabagi sa pagluluk. Ikong sisingin sa barawag buto, simula sa langit mong baka, na out sa nanagsa, na minahal.
Ay, laptop na kapitana. Opo, nasa likod ako nakita niyo sa timer. Opo, kasi na lang po, ha? Opo, para
Mayang magiling, nasisisin mamaya, sa puso.
wow!
Sa digim may buhay, lupang hinirang, luyararabagi sa pagluluti.
Anong oras
Let's keep flowing.
lunchtime pa? Lunch dinner? Saan yun? Saan?
So guys,
Papa?
no one fall. Let's wait me guys, okay? Guys, so I can really speeding. So guys, I can make plus one. I'm not still done, but it's not empty. But if this one is almost full. Let me fix it. I think I'm gonna eat it. Bye-bye, kids. Mwah.